Take a quick look at the track here and show you exactly what's happening with the latest from the Hurricane Center. This is the 5 a.m. update, so it just came out a few minutes ago. Still a Category 3 hurricane moving north-northwest at 13 miles per hour. And I've had the opportunity throughout the throughout the past couple of days to work with Facebook Live, and it has been such a great resource for us because it has enabled us to answer questions very quickly from viewers all over the area and be more specific about different parts of our area and what people are experiencing. And there are also a lot of people plotting along the course of the storm with us. So the center of the storm right now, 28.2 north and 80 west. And let's go ahead and put this into motion here. And here's 2 o'clock this afternoon. Still a Category 3 storm, but moving north of Daytona Beach, north of Jacksonville by 8 o'clock tonight. And by 2 a.m. off the coast of Georgia and South Carolina. And it starts to make that northeasterly turn as it interacts with some high pressure to the north there, gets turned back down to the south by that high pressure, and then possibly back around toward the Bahamas and South Florida by the middle of next week. But notice also that weakening to a tropical storm. There are some computer models that have it as a tropical depression. Some computer models take it south of Florida through mainland Florida through the Keys. Some keep it way over here to the east. So there's still a lot of big questions about this storm before it makes it to this point. So we're going to watch it carefully. We're going to get through today, and then we'll start doing more of a detailed forecast for it if the models continue to have it making that turn. Let's take a look at Vipercast. This is the next two graphics I'm going to show you here are very telling about what we can expect throughout the day today. And I know Felicia just sort of broke it down for you county by county, but this is just another illustration. I know we have a lot of people listening on radio this morning, so I will explain to you what I'm showing on the air. But this is 5 o'clock this morning, so right now, and we still have the rainfall stretching from Vero Beach down to Okeechobee and over into Martin County. As I advance it to about 7 o'clock today, we're still dealing with some heavier rainfall up in Indian River County and Okeechobee County and even St. Lucie and Martin counties and across Lake Okeechobee, with more rainfall sort of streaming around the circulation of Matthew in Palm Beach County. Now I'm showing 9:30 this morning, and a lot of the rainfall lifting to the north, but something interesting happens here as we get to 1 and 2 and 3 o'clock this afternoon. Matthew, remember, is such a tremendous storm that even late in the day today, we could still see the circulation of Matthew grabbing a hold of moisture and dragging showers and a few thunderstorms through the area around 4, 5, 6 o'clock tonight. So although Matthew will continue moving to the north, we're not going to suddenly see the clouds part and the sun come shining through. We're still going to see cloud cover and the potential for some fast-moving rainfall throughout the day today. Now I'm going to show a quick look at Vipercast wind estimates through the day today and show you what we can expect. I'm showing 5 o'clock this morning here. As we get to 8 o'clock this morning, still tropical storm force winds possible in Indian River County, in St. Lucie County, and in Martin County, and even in northern parts of Palm Beach County. And then as you get down a little closer to West Palm and down toward Boca and inland around Lake Okeechobee, wind speeds just below tropical storm strength. I'm going to advance it to about 2:30 this afternoon, and that's when winds start to get down a little lower, 34 miles per hour, Port St. Lucie possibly 30-mile-per-hour winds in West Palm, 28-mile-per-hour winds in Boca, and in the 20s out around Lake Okeechobee as well. Still very close to tropical storm force winds in Indian River County. And then finally by about 5:30 this afternoon, winds start to come down below tropical storm strength for everyone, but still some gusty winds possible even this afternoon. 4, 5, 5:30, 6 o'clock this afternoon, winds will still be very breezy. And then as we continue into tonight and into the weekend, breezy Saturday on the way, but then winds start to calm down even more as we get to Sunday and Matthew moves farther away from us up to the northeast. That's a quick outline of the forecast here. We'll be back with more in just a few minutes. We definitely want to keep an eye on live Viper 5 Maxes. We still have that very heavy rainfall and gusty winds moving in along the Treasure Coast right now, and even some heavy rainfalls kind of sweeping through northern Palm Beach County.